So today we will be discussing about apoptosis. What is apoptosis? What is apoptosis? It is a programmed cell death. Means it is regulated cell death. Means what will happen usually? Cell senescence will take place. Cells will undergo senescence process. Then they will lose some function. If there is no function, what is the use of the cell? So cell itself will terminates its process. Okay, this is known as apoptosis. So apoptosis means self death. Okay, now we will go and see what is exactly the apoptosis is. In this we have two types of apoptosis. One is intracellular or mitochondrial apoptosis. Another one is extracellular or death receptor mediated apoptosis. So then what is intracellular? How it will be taking place? So sometimes if cellular signals are stopped or any radiation fall on the cell, what will happen? Then anti-apoptotic proteins will send signals means BCLX1, MCL1, BAX1. These are the BCLX1 and MCL1. These are the anti-apoptotic proteins. So they will send signals that they are not able to function properly. Then what will happen? This will stimulate regulator apoptotic proteins. What are these regulated apoptotic proteins? Means they are BID, BAM, PUMA and NOXA. Then what will happen? These regulated proteins, they will stimulate pro-apoptotic proteins. What are these pro-apoptotic proteins? Means BAX and BAC proteins. So these pro-apoptotic proteins will what will happen? They will help in apoptosis. Okay, means how this apoptosis will take place due to the leakage of cytochrome C from intermitochondrial space. This apoptosis will take place. Normally, cytochrome C will be a mobile carrier of electron transport chain, but it will be leaking out of the cell due to loss of permeability of the mitochondrial membrane. So what we are seeing here will be nucleus. So in this nucleus, what will happen is clumping of chromatin, some cell blobs. This all will be seen, and this will be consist of some mitochondria, and this will be recognizable. This is a cell. Okay, so many Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, everything. This is phagocyte. Phagocytes will eat this cell and cellular death will take place. Like this, the cellular death is taking place. Okay, let me clearly explain how the process of intrinsic pathway is taking place. This is, we are talking about intrinsic pathway. Up to now, we talked about intrinsic pathway. I am just briefly explaining. Okay, what will happen? So the cytochrome C leaked out from the intermitochondrial membrane. Then it will activate apoptotic factor 1. This apoptotic factor 1 will combine with apoptosome to form apoptosomal complex. Then this will activate procaspase 9 to caspase 9. Then which will convert procaspase 3 to caspase 3. Understood? Then this diblock and SMAC proteins enter the cytosol and help in this process of apoptosis. So this is actual simple process. Then what are extracellular pathway? I'm just simply explaining. But how we will draw a diagram like if there is a radiation fall, what will happen? Cell will lose the, means this is full receptor. Cell will lose the survival signals. Then what will activate? BID, bad, humor, monoxa. From this pro-apoptotic, actually first BCLX1 and MCL1, they will send the signals. So from this pro-apoptotic protein, backs and back signals will go, and backs and back will help in leakage of cytosol, leakage of cytochrome C to cytosol, and this process will occur. If there is no lacking of cellular survival signals, means normal process will continue. Extracellular pathway is like this is the cell, and this is phasal receptor, this is phasal receptor, this is phasal ligand, Fas ligand. So Fas ligand is binding to Fas receptor, and what will happen here also? Caspase 3 will be activated, and it will help in the apoptosis. Sometimes tumor necrosis factor also acts in a similar manner, and what I mean here, domain will be there. Fat domain will be there. So like this similarly, and another pathway is execution pathway. In this capsis 3, 6, 8 activation occurs, apoptosis will take place. Thank you. Apoptosis is very useful, and in embryogenesis even we'll see apoptosis. So finger gaps are occurring now, and regression of spinal cord is notochord is also taking place through this one only, and if hormones signals are not there, hormone should be withdrawal and the tissue should be regressor. This is also taking place by apoptosis phenomenon, and thymus also progressively degenerates as age advances. This is also taking place through apoptosis. This is the common phenomena where we observe apoptosis. Thank you.